Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dune Awakening error code P83. This error occurs when players try to fast travel out of certain locations, like Arrakeen or Harco Village. Many players have reported that once they reach these areas, they get stuck and receive this error. According to our research, the error is likely caused by some bug in the game's travel system. If you don't need to travel to a hub for anything, then force a respawn. This will drop you back into the Haga Basin, so at least you can continue playing. If the error still comes, then power cycle your device along with your internet. After that, check if the game needs any updates. If yes, update it and see if the error still occurs. If you still have the error, then empty your inventory into the bank. Then use the respawn option from the menu. You'll die after a timer, but don't respawn. Instead, press Alt plus F4. After that, verify the game files. Then restart the game and load back into your server or siege. It will ask where you want to respawn. Choose a location in Haga Basin, preferably your home base. You'll spawn back there and all your items will still be safe in the bank when you travel back to the city. At last, if nothing works, then possibly the issue is from the game's side. So wait for some time and try again later. Also, check the official Discord servers to see if other players are also reporting the same error or if there are any announcements related to ongoing issues. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.